Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Learn and Success. I'm Jenifa. Today we're going to talk about 3 very small English words that confuse many learners: in, on, and at. They look easy, but they can be tricky. Many learners feel confused about when to use in, on, and at. But today I will teach you a very simple trick. I will use a pyramid to explain everything clearly. After this lesson, you will understand when to use each one, and you will never confuse them again. I promise. So let's begin. All right, let's start with a picture. Imagine a pyramid. This is a pyramid. A pyramid has a triangle shape. At the bottom, it is wide. At the top, it is very small. Now we will use this pyramid to understand time and place. At the bottom of the pyramid, we use in. It is the most general. In the middle, we use on. It is a little more specific. At the top, we use at. It is very exact and very specific. Okay? First, we will talk about time, and then we will talk about place. We will go step by step, slowly and clearly. About in time. We use in when the time is not exact. It is a big or general time, like a month, a year, a season, or part of the day. For example, I was born in May. He came to the UK in 2020. My sister started school in 2010. They met in the summer. She finished the project in 2 weeks. Now say this with me. I always feel happy in spring. Great, try another one. The shop opened in 2015. Now you repeat. The shop opened in 2015. Great job. So remember, we use in for months, years, seasons, and parts of the day. In January, in 1998, in winter, in the evening. Now let's talk about on. We use on when the time is more specific, like a day or a date. For example, I have a meeting on Monday. Her birthday is on July the 3rd. We met on Christmas Day. I always go shopping on Saturdays. There's a big party on New Year's Eve. They arrived on the 5th of June. I saw him on my first day at work. Now say this with me. The class is on Thursday. Let's do another one. The wedding is on the 10th of May. Great. So remember, we use on for days of the week, specific dates, and special days. On Monday, on March the 1st, on my birthday, on Christmas Day. Time. Now let's talk about at. This is the top of the pyramid. It is very exact. We use at for exact times. For example, let's meet at 3. The movie starts at 6:30. Dinner is at 8. She wakes up at 7 a.m. He always has lunch at noon. Now say this with me. The train comes at 5:10. Now you repeat. The train comes at 5:10. Good job. One more. School begins at 8 in the morning. Now you repeat. Well done. So remember, we use at for clock times and exact moments. At 2, at midnight, at lunchtime, at sunrise. Quick review. Time in for general time. In May, in 2023, in the morning. On for days and dates. On Monday, on July the 3rd, on my birthday. At for exact time. At 5 p.m. at midnight at lunchtime. In, on, at tea. Place. Now, let's use the same pyramid idea for places. In is for large or enclosed places. On is for exact locations. In, place. We use in when something is inside a space. It can be a room, a building, a city, or even a bag. For example, she lives in London. The milk is in the fridge. I'm in the kitchen. He's sitting in the car. They met in the park. My phone is in my bag. Now say this with me. He is in the room. Great. Try this one. There is water in the glass. Good. So remember, we use in for inside or large places. In the house, in the city, in the classroom, in the box. On. Place we use on when something is on top of a surface. For example, the book is on the table. There is a fly on the wall. Your shoes are on the floor. So remember, use on for things that touch a surface. On the table, on the wall, on the bus, on the street. At. Place, we use at for a specific location. Not inside, not on top, just the exact place. For example, she's waiting at the door. We met at the station. Let's meet at the cafe. I'm at the cinema. They are at school. Important exceptions. English is not always perfect. There are some common exceptions you need to remember. First one, at night. We say at night, not in night. For example, it's quiet at night. We say in the morning, in the afternoon, but at night. This one you just need to remember. Next difference, at school and in school. At school means you are at the place. We don't know what you are doing. In school means you are a student. For example, my son is at school right now. This means he is there. My son is in school. This means he is a student. Another important exception, for technology we use on the phone, on the radio, on the internet. Great job today. You learned in, on, at for time and place. Just remember the pyramid. In is general, on is more specific, at is exact. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. I'm Jenifa, and I'll see you next time on Learn and Success. Bye for now.